Oh my goodness. I bought this pasteles wrapping paper in the grocery aisle years ago, and it may be my new favorite paper for gel printing. Today I'm using a 5x7 gel plate showing you three different techniques and turning the prints into two easy junk journal embellishments. Let's get started.
Museful creations come and see, crafted with joy soulfully.
I began with an old satin multi-surface acrylic in bright teal. Honestly, this bottle has been in my studio since 2016. We believe in giving the veterans another assignment around here. Yes, I do. So I'm going to use my brayer, as you can see here, and then I'm going to press my Damask style ISC rubber stamp directly into the wet paint. Now, it's super important that you apply some pressure. It's something that I learned trying this a couple of times. And that was my, it taught me that this large background stamp really needed a firm, even pressure. And you'll see next the very cool effect. For the second technique, I used a lighter acrylic paint. And as I began to apply it, I said, ooh, that's too light. So let me lay a little bit more thickness. But the paint I've had in my stash for many years, and who knows, I don't even know what brand it is. But I encourage you to try the different acrylic paint brands that you have in your stash because it gives you a sense of the color palette that you're trying to achieve. Before I go into the third technique, I want to share with you a tip. I use a bottle of water and a baby wipe to remove the paint, and I found that to be super helpful and easy to proceed on to the next color. Okay, I also wanted to test purple gouache. It behaves seriously so differently from acrylic, but the richer purple gave me much more of the impact I wanted. This is part of experimenting. One paint looked too pale, as you saw previously, for the effect I had in mind, so I adjusted the medium rather than forcing the original idea. And because I had so much fun with the first stamped background, I brought the damask stamp back again for another round. Making beautiful prints is truly a blast, but my real question is always, what are we going to do with them? And you'll see next. Next, I will add a bulb pin to the first embellishment here, and it will tuck nicely in your signature page. I'll add a second one to the more teal damask embellishment, which is the second one that I created, and I'll show you the little journaling spot that I created on the purple damask piece. And I definitely want to share to check your local supermarket or bodega for papel para pasteles. And then tell me, what would you make with your prints? Thanks so much for spending some time with me. Until this Thursday, take care.